Hi, this is Jordan Fowler with Moon and Owl Marketing. Today I want to show you how to make a visual sitemap, or some people call it a hierarchy chart or a flow chart of your site, or even a competitor's site, so you can see what's really going on and how your pages relate to one another in the way that Google and the other search engines see them. So you just go to SlickPlan.com. They have a free 30-day trial, and then it's very affordable after that, but we love this tool. Again, SlickPlan.com, create your account, and then once you're in, you go to create a new sitemap. Let's call this Chris Taylor Insurance, and then literally create sitemap. Now you can also use this tool to build custom sitemaps, but today I want to show you how you can get it to crawl an existing site and generate a sitemap. So you go to Import Export, then you want to click Import, and you can just go to the existing site, paste in the site you want to crawl. I like to use page titles because that's generally how you think of a page, and it should be all set up. And so then you just click Import, and it will start crawling the site. It can take 5 minutes, it depends on how big the site is. But it'll generate a easy to read visual sitemap. So once SlickPlan does its work, you get this visual layout of a site, which is very easy to look at and to analyze. So let's take a look at this site, for example. This site is organized very well. It's actually one of our client sites. And so you can see what he's, how the pages are organized. So right here is home insurance. And it's tied to this page called Fort Worth because we're obviously trying to rank him for home insurance, Fort Worth. And then he has supporting articles under home insurance. So do I need flood insurance? So all these articles here are siloed. You can see they're all linked, and they link into home insurance. So this is a clean silo is what we call that. And then he has another silo, right? If you go down a little farther, like here's some other silos, but let's just dig down into another one. Auto insurance. Another term he wants to rank on. He has all these supporting articles in his silo on auto insurance. And if you keep going down the page, you'll keep seeing that pattern. And so what do you want to look for is your site like this, where everything is cleanly stacked? Or sometimes you'll get a site that's just a mess and everything will be top level across here because there was no sub pages or anything used. But a great tool, super fast way to see the layout of your site, or actually any competitor site. Feel free to use it. Again, this is Jordan at Moon and Owl Marketing. Thanks a lot.